the shot, I guess. Oh, it's mid-January 2022. Pretty cool morning. I've come back down to the hiking trail to come see my favorite plane. Found it here about a month ago, but I didn't have my camera that day. So we're gonna go back down and take some pictures of it and see if I can find an identification number or data plate. I think the data plate's gone, but to see its history. So just walking along out here in the woods and kind of spotted an unnatural shape down in there. I'll flip this around and we'll walk down and see. So it's an L-19 O-1 bird dog. Didn't really want to play with it the other day because it was a warm day, and I had just killed a snake a couple of weeks earlier, so I did not really want to mess around with it. That, and I was in running shorts and no camera and had the kids with me, so come down here, we'll see what we've got. Kind of sucks to find your dream plane dumped down in the woods on base. But there she is. Kind of document it this time, take some pictures, and head on back out. Yeah, the tail might be down here. Looks like some decent deer tracks, so the deer like it. Like a shotgun blast and some other stuff. Oh, looks like I do. I am going to be able to see the number. Let's see if we can get it. Looks like a 5, maybe y'all can help me out. 5-2 maybe. 7979er. Painted up in the green. Looks like underneath she had this is army green and then repainted full orange. Kind of move around this side of it. The float attaching bolts go there. And there's the side where it says Army, and there it looks like the tail, or at least some of the tail, is sideways, split off down in it, and here's the wing. Not sure left or right wing, but it's the side with the taxi lights, I believe. I want to say that's the left wing. But yep, totally sucks to find your dream aircraft sitting out here like this. That's all for now. See if I can flip anything over. I'll take a few more pictures if I find anything else to identify her with.